I welcome everyone to this session, High Frequency Words 4. Today we are going to see another 5 words. Anachronism. We can see in this picture a dinosaur is chasing a man. So dinosaur become extinct before mankind. So it is misplaced in time. Meaning of anachronism is something or someone misplaced in time. Explanation: a thing belonging or appropriate to a period other than that in which it exists, especially a thing that is conspicuously old fashioned. So, anachronism, here you can relate with this image something or someone misplaced in time. Let us see an usage. An author's use of an airplane in a story set in the 1700s is an example of a literary anachronism because airplanes did not exist during this century. So the author is referring airplanes in his literary. So it is an anachronism because the narration was done in 1700. During that century, airplanes did not exist. Next word, analogous. You can see the image. You can compare these two. They have similar kind of look, mustache, ears like that. So they are analogous to each other. Analogous means comparable. Explanation: comparable in certain respects, typically in a way which makes clearer the nature of the things compared. Let us see in usage. They saw the relationship between a ruler and his subjects as analogous to that of father and child. So the ruler is taking care of his subjects like a father taking care of a child. So analogous, remember this picture, comparable. Anarchy. Symbol of anarchy is shown here. Anarchy means absence of governing body, a state of disorder. So it means absence of governing body. Government is not there. Explanation: a state of disorder due to absence or non-recognition of authority or controlling systems. Let us see an usage. One of the responsibilities of the police is to preserve order so that anarchy will not come into play. So anarchy is the absence of governing body. Absence of governing body. Anomalous. Let us see this picture. If some value is plotted against time, you can see there is a sudden spike. So irregularity here shown here. So anomalous means abnormal or irregular. That is deviating from what is standard, normal or what is expected. So when this graph has been plotted, it is expected to have this trend. So the value is supposed to be constant over time, but there is some spike here. Let us see an usage. Being struck by lightning is actually a rather anomalous event since the chances of being struck by lightning are so astronomically low. So someone getting struck by a lightning, it is very abnormal event or it is an anomalous event. Last word for the session, antipathy. So it is a dislike. You don't like it. So you are having aversion or dislike. Explanation: a deep-seated feeling of aversion. Let us see an usage. I feel a profound antipathy to using any weapon. So I don't like using weapon. I dislike using weapon or I have an aversion or antipathy to using any weapon. That's for the session. Thank you for listening. Please share and subscribe to the channel to support our cause. Thank you.